Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how to change the icon size in a FreeCAD. Depend upon your visibility issue, you can make this icon size either small, medium, large or extra large. So to change the icon size, click on edit, go to preferences, and here in the journal setting you will see the option size of toolbar icons. So my current size is 24 px, so let I change to large 32 px and say apply. So if you see here, my icon size has been changed. Now I make it to extra small, I make it to small 16 px, so my icon size went to small. And if you have a visibility issue, you can also make it to the large and extra large, and if I say on extra large, so icon size will be too large. So that is upon your usability, how you want to use the icons. So that is very small tutorial about how to change the icon size in FreeCAD, and my recommended icon size is medium 24 px. So if you like this video, you can buy a cup of coffee for me, link is given in the video description. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon, so whenever I upload a new video you will get notifications. So thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.